guaranteed prize to win $100. So that's amazing. Guaranteed prize to win $300. That's cool. Guaranteed prize to win $200. $100. Hey there, so you might have watched videos about how to make money online by typing names, and you might be wondering, oh, let's do that and make lots of money. There's no work at all. But seriously, things have changed a lot since then. And yeah, so right now the best website is currently Squad Help, and it was a year ago, and it is still now, right? There are some alternatives which pay you less, but let's jump to that first, because you might not be knowing what Squad Help is. And if you like videos on how to make money online, consider subscribing to my channel. There are lots of videos on how to make money online, and also on how to make money using affiliate marketing, right? So go check them out, and they are in great detail that you want to know just to get started out, right? So yeah, if you're interested in that, then do check them out and subscribe to my channel. So let's have a look. So Squad Help is a website where they organize these contests, and yeah, this contest is about various things. So we'll be mainly focusing on naming a company, right? So this is what they are currently focusing on. So find the perfect name for a website, a brand. It depends on that, right? It depends on what you are doing, right? So this is mainly built for those businesses who want the name for their company, and yeah, they want a good name, and they want to outsource this. They want to get as many ideas as possible from all people all around the world, right? But this is the website, right? And things have changed now, and I will tell you what things have changed. So the one thing that changed is that now Squad Help is charging a premium to get started with their website, right? So let's have a look at what they are charging. All right, so this is the thing they are charging. Now the naming contests are so popular that they are charging a $10 sign up fee, and that is why this video is named like you can turn your $10 into $500 easy, right? But you still need to focus on how you can do that, right? So let's have a look. Yeah, you will be continuing to payment. So this has changed, but this also is a good news in a way, because then it means that this is getting popular and people are really getting paid, and that is why the company are bold enough to charge you upfront for entering into the contest. And now this $10 sign up fee is just one time only. So once you give the $10, you can enter endless competitions, and you will have less competitions as well, right? So this introducing this increases the chance of you making $500 out of a contest and actually winning a prize, right? If it was for free, then you will get tens of thousands of people joining this, and there are a lot more work, right, for them, and the odds of you winning also decreases. So this is a really good thing. So your odds have increased. You can actually now earn some money doing this, right? So yeah, after you continue with the payment, you will be given access to these contests. Otherwise, you can participate in logo contests, which are like designing a logo and submitting the design in Photoshop, but that's not the focus of this video. So yeah, so this is the new thing, but it is a good thing, right? So if you have that much money, I mean $10, everyone has $10, but they just don't want to invest it, right? So yeah, if you really do want to make money typing names, and this is the one website which will give you the payout, then try this out. Okay, enough of this. All right, so let's have a look at what is going on, right? So this is the place where you can access it from here, winners and the leaderboard contests won. So this is the leaderboard of all time, right? So you can see that Lito Dino won 7 contests last month and a minimum of $700, $1,000 minimum, and in totality they earned $60,000 from this website. And this website is not too old. It's been not a while ago, right? And you can see there are lots of people earning a lot of money, right? Now this is about the winners, so there is some potential that you can make a lot of money, and this literally does not require too much of your time. So considering that you can make, let's say, $60,000 a year doing this, right, is a feat in itself, right? So yeah, right. Now let's have a look at some contests and see how it works. So you can see contests, and we'll focus on naming contests. Alright, so now it's loading, right? So yeah, let's remove this filter over here, assign to me, and these are the various naming contests. Now these ones are filtered by relevance. So this person wants to name his company and he made this contest. You can get an early access, and yeah, 4 days remaining, 133 entries. So it says guaranteed prize to win $100. So that's amazing. Guaranteed prize to win $300. That's cool. Guaranteed prize to win $200, $100, right? So yeah, I mean, who doesn't want that? And it literally takes not much time, right? So what I would do is, you can see this sorted by award amount, where you can see higher amounts, right? But tier A creatives only, so they have categorized it so that you know I mean, the chances of you winning the contests are higher, right? And the tier A creatives only go for the higher ones, so you can start by making $100, right? And from just a single contest, right? And yeah, it's really cool, right? So let's just sort by newest, because a lot of time you want to enter a contest which has just begun, right? And yeah, they have less entries, and these people monitor the entries and the names every single day. So the sooner you put out your name, the better your chance of winning, right? So that's what it is about, right? $100, cool, right? So let's have a look at what you should be doing. So let's click on this and see this. All right, so 11 creatives like this contest. Okay, so what they want is naming or the company name, and what they do. So what is your business about? You need to carefully read it. Roast and sell coffee, retail and delivery coffee, right? So now this is really important, because this will give you an idea what your business name should be. And yeah, now want a .com URL? Yes, but minor variations are allowed. So you try to stick with .com URL only, because there are a lot of competition, and they would really appreciate a .com URL, and it's the most desirable one. So you need to find a name about coffee, right? And yeah, urban college environment, and names we like are Starbucks. All right, so that is their inspiration, so you need to think about around it, right? And yeah, preferred name styles. All right, so the main thing that you need to look over here is that they want to sell their coffee shop. Now you need to think about it and figure out a name. Now what you can do is, you can just simply go ahead and search for So this is a tool which will help you to find the names, right, for the businesses. Yeah, so people want these big names like Google, right, Spotify, Trulia, right? So people are constantly thinking about it because people really want a really good name. If Google was named as something else, Google, or just Goggle or something like that, then nobody would like it. It's named Google, so everyone likes it, right? It has a ring to it. It has a brand value to it. So that is what they are looking for in a name. So you can search for coffee as a keyword because you want to have a look at it. Let's say short 3 letters and medium names, brandable names. Now brandable names are really very popular like Google and Trulia, and it is desired by everyone, so you should search for this, right? And yeah, so it's a single name. There is some multiple word name like Facebook, so face is a different word and a book is different, right? And foreign words also they prefer, but yeah, you can also search for foreign words, but right now, for the sake of the video, let's search for brandable names, and you can do some research, right? It would literally take 10 minutes. All right, cafe.ly, $3,595 for this domain. You don't want to do that because they specifically said that they require a .com domain, right? So you won't be doing this, not this. You can do this, but these are expensive, right? You can submit only one name, so you need to think about it. You can modify it, but yeah, you should just do the work once because then it would be too tedious for you, I mean, right? So leave out the premium ones as these are debatable because the company Squad Help is promising them to give them the domain for like some money, $5, like, but these ones will not work if they are already taken and are up for sale on this website, so avoid these. And yeah, so let's have a look at which one should be. Cat Cafe. He said that Urban College. I don't think so. That is a good ring to this name. Brewmint seems to be a really good name. So yeah, pick it up. All right, pick it up and submit it into this contest. Brewmint is a really good name, I think. And yeah, now it's not like that you just picked it up and just give it over there. You might put an additional touch of yourself from your side, right? Brewminty, something like that. Okay, it might take a while to figure out, but yeah, I mean, overall this process should take around 10 minutes only. I mean, you go to this website, search the coffee term, the key term, right, and find a name, and then do a little bit of experiment on it, and yeah, you will easily find a .com domain on these ones, and these are really good ones, right? So get this name, give this person that name, and yeah, you can enter n number of contests, so don't worry about it, right? All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you are going to make money online, right? It's really simple. This video is going to be really short about this, right? And this is the key point about this one, and I explained a bit about it. And yeah, there's lots of potential here, right? So go ahead and take some action. Turn your $10 into $100, $200, or potentially $500, right? And it is possible because there are lots and lots of contests out there. I mean, lots and lots. I mean, this one was the newest one. Wait a minute, let me go back. All right, 287 contests, and these get updated really very soon. Look over here, posted 6 hours ago, posted 2 hours ago. These get updated like on a daily basis, and really there are lots of opportunity for you, and it really takes 10 minutes of your day. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes max if you really want to give a really very good name. But the most part is I'll think that 10 minutes is enough. Righty. So alright, so this is it for the video. I hope you understand that now you need to invest a little, and this is a good sign because now you will have less competition and more chance to win a guaranteed prize of $100 or $300, right? So alright then, so I hope you enjoyed this video and understood that how you can make money online using this and what are the catches out there, right? Right, so if you like this kind of video, maybe on how to make money online, then subscribe to my channel and learn more about it. Or if you want to build an automatic online business which would do all the work for you, but it does require work initially. So if you want to start your online business and want to learn how to do it, then check out the first link in the description, and yeah, it is a good idea. Alright then, so see you until next time.